Hey everyone, it's Jasmill. Welcome back to Endless Beauty, my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna do something really fun, something totally appropriate because we're in October and Halloween is literally how many days away? This was kind of spur of the moment. I wanted to do a skull and I wanted to do a recreation makeup, but I wasn't gonna do those two together. But then I was like, oh my gosh, James Charles just did a skull on Kylie, and I thought it was really dope, really cute. I don't have anything from her collection. My face paint color came in from Amazon, so I bought this for my Halloween makeup, and I obviously wanted to do some looks, but I just used it for this today. And I also used a couple of different eyeshadows to go along with the look. And I also bought this blonde wig because of my Halloween costume. I got this from like Elevate Styles, I think, but it was just a coincidence that this wig is like almost exactly what Kylie Jenner's wearing. It's like beachy waves, very bright blonde. Yeah, it took a long time. It took me like 2 hours of doing all of this, of shading and painting on my face and everything, but it's super easy if you follow the steps, if you take your time, if you just go back and use precision and just use a steady hand. It's super easy. I feel like when you look at this, it looks very intimidating. To me, it does look intimidating as well. I hope you guys liked it, and please like and subscribe and comment down below and let me know what you think. All right.
Just a little bit of foundation. It's like concealer. Did you set it? This one. I don't think so.
All right, so first, since I don't have the palette, I'm just gonna dip into everything. I'm gonna go into my Desert Dusk, and I'm gonna go into Blazing right here, and I think this one, which is Amber. Yeah, I'm just building up.
But that's the beauty of makeup. You can kind of decide as you go. I want to start off with like an orange moment on the top, but I think I want to bring it really smoky.
Reveals like my Snapchats, because at a certain point someone asked me to like, why don't you just have someone take the videos for you and then post them? But I'm like, I like to do it myself because I know how I want my makeup to look and I know I can get the best lighting and whatever. So after, and I'm like 100% involved in creating the packaging. It changed my life because it gave me purpose and it allowed me to express myself. It's really my passion.
Very bronzy goldish shade, and I feel like it kind of reminds me of Smog, this one right here, but I might go into Half Baked a little bit because it has a lot of gold in it too, so I'm gonna mix those two for the
really love that. Like I want 7 girls and then like maybe I'll consider a boy.
Do you have any ideas yet?
I like how like open and like and like chill she's being in this video, Kylie, because usually she's so I'm like a little pointier pencil brush like this, and I'm gonna go back into the Amber and the Blazing, the reddish orangey shades, and I'm just gonna like clean it up a little bit here.
Looking on nature names, like weather, like earth inspired. Willow was on there, and then
That's so pretty too.
love the name Willow.
Oh, you probably need a Willow Jenner.
You think?
Probably
But I
do.
feel like I know a Willow. She is a great Willow. I'm close with her. So you know when you know someone with that name,
You can't really do it. I'm gonna grab the shade Hacks on My Axe. Love that. I'm gonna do this on the lower lash line. I want to do like a little bit of a smoky purple moment. Really just to dramatize it and also like to tie in the whole skeletal moment.
So Hex on My Ex is like a shimmery like dark purple, and the only one that I can find that's similar to that is this from the My Little Pony palette from Colourpop.
Work, and I know I work so hard. I could have been in the same position and done it completely different.
To the outer V and kind of like connected the shadow a little bit, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm just packing it on, packing the same Smog from the Naked palette, the bronzy golden color, and I'm just wetting my brush because I want it to look more metallic instead of like just a regular. And now he's taking like a gold liquid shadow, and it's like really gold.
Just to intensify it.
So I think I'm gonna put Trophy Wife and wet it and just put it on the inner corner to intensify it.
Love that.
That was 2016.
How cute.
That's really nice. Trophy Wife wet looks so nice on the eyes. See it going all over the place, and I'm using just like anything that I feel like will go with the look. I'm gonna go into my Kylie Bybel Deluxe palette, and this highlight right here looks amazing, and I'm gonna wet my brush again because it just gives it a nice like metallic look. I'm kind of tired. I'm not even like halfway done. All right, so this is what I have so far. Right now I put on lashes and I darkened up the crease with a little bit more purple, and that's pretty much it. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I feel like it looks very, very similar to what she has. Start outlining the face with white pencil, and I have this white pencil, cream pencil for Colourpop, and I also have these cream oil paints. They're just a little bit more intense, a little bit more brighter, and it's an oil based painting. And I also got from Amazon a packet of brushes, of paint brushes, so if I need to like make any like tighter lines, or if I need to go back to a white in here to make it more precise or something, I'm just gonna do that. Some bronzer on right now, and I just want to do it before I start.
So I'm gonna use a white eyeliner pencil and start right above your ear over here. What is the craziest makeup you've ever had on?
This. I'm being honest.
Really?
Probably.
Okay,
So he started like right here. Doing Coco. All right. I feel like that looks good. I'm doing it. He's doing the teeth, and this is what scares me because I've never done teeth. The tiny little paintbrush, and for this I'm gonna take the white oil paint, and I'm gonna try to do, I counted the teeth on her face, and it's like 10 at the top and 10 at the bottom, and then like kind of like a half teeth. Okay, I feel like it's just like a roundish kind of shape, and then like a, oh, it's so easy to do the line with this. And color it in. Oh, this paint is super pigmented. Making them too big. Like this one could have been off once it hasn't dried, which was good. I connected them because I feel like he has them really close together. And I'm just gonna do the rest of this off camera because it's gonna take me. Oh, one thing I like read about these paint colors is that to not use them around your eyes or your nose, or I mean your eyes or your mouth. So I'm like kind of scared. Like I don't have sensitive skin, so hopefully I'm just hoping like I don't get an infection. I'm done with the teeth. With the I look like the I don't know. But there's definitely a character that's just like white mouth like this, and I feel like that's what I look like.
all right, we are back and the highlights are all done.
It's getting a little hot and steamy, so I wanted to take my
We're having a lot of
jacket off.
I didn't even do the nose. Right. Now he does black, and he does an eyeliner, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the black paint just stick with the black paint, but it says in the instruction that you should wait for the white to set for a little bit and then go in with the black. A lot more because the black eyeliner was getting mixed in with the white and like not being defined, but this black paint is so good that it doesn't even matter. All right, so I finished lining up pretty much everything. I feel like it's looking pretty badass. I'm gonna go back into that purple.
Got a little bit of setting spray to fill the skull. How is it like growing up in the public eye? It's probably
And he wets the
I
shadow,
think that it's not
and he fills in
anybody
everything.
that was chosen to be in this position, because I feel like God knows that I'm strong. Because a lot of people,
This can be intense. Like,
this is intense. I've been in the spotlight since I was like I don't know what normal is. Also, I have like the best family ever.
It looks black from far away, but it's gonna give... Alright, this is what it looks like so far. I like it, but I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I like it. I just feel like the white kind of messed up in some parts. Actually, he does go in with the white and he kind of fixes things. So I'm gonna go back with the white. That made it better. Oh my god, my camera's dying. Hey everyone. So I have my wig on. It's so funny because I bought this wig for my Halloween costume, not even because I thought I was gonna be doing this. And it's like the same color that Kylie Jenner has on this video. So it's like I was meant to do this look. Take a small-ish fluffy brush and I'm gonna take a light purple from the same My Little Pony palette. It's like a light purple and he's doing like just this to highlight some points of the skull to make it a little bit more like fun and majestic, which I love. I have here, it's like a moon dust, I think, from Sephora. It's one of their older highlights, so I don't know if they still have it, but it looks like the exact highlight color that they're using from her new collection. It looks a little whitish, greenish, silvery, but it comes out really, really gold, which is...
I'm amazed at how fast you can do
I
this.
told you I need your special effects.
This is like very, very cool.
I feel like I still want my highlight to be a little bit more whiter, so I'm gonna take this that's really white.
Give you one last spritz to set everything together. I think we're done. Do you like it?
I love it.
I
I'm
think
just
it-
gonna go out like this. After.
I think it's like really everyday wearable.
No, this is the most glam, gorgeous gold definitely I've ever seen, and I'm very impressed.
Thanks, sister. Oh my god, I'm so nice. Like, oh,
I had so much fun with you today. For
Thanks.
real, I've been here all day. I was supposed to be here for 2 hours, it's been 8.